Hello ma'am, my name is Dhaval Pandav. I am from collegedinner.com. A very warm welcome to our interview series which is called Thoughts on Education, where we interview with the various dignitaries such as owners, VCs, principals, HODs and teachers. Before I proceed with this interview, I would request you to give a brief introduction about yourself. Ma'am.
Thank you. I am Dr. Poonam Advani and I hold the position of Professor Pharmaceutical Chemistry at MET Institute of Pharmacy. I have been associated with this institute for the past 27 years.
It was really nice knowing about you and your experience, ma'am. So my first question is, you have held key position at Education Institute throughout your professional career. So what keeps you connected with the education sector and how has been your experience so far with this institute?
Being in the education sector, being a teacher, year after year, we come in contact with fresh students. So fresh minds, which I get the opportunity to ignite with the light of knowledge. And every year, our knowledge gets updated, and at the same time, we become lifelong learners. And we also learn a lot from our students year through year. MET has a goal, and that goal is Vidya Dhanam Sarva Dhana Pradhanam, which is knowledge is the key to success, and hence we at MET strive to give value-based education.
What are the innovations and approaches you bring apart from the curriculum to train students?
Apart from the curriculum, our students participate in various co-curricular as well as extracurricular activities. Co-curricular activities like attending seminars, guest lectures, poster presentations, quizzes, these give our students a handle on better communication skills, be it written or oral communication skills. Now, we also have a lot of guest lectures and alumni interactions. These give an insight to the student about the actual working of the industry and help the student decide which field of pharmacy they would want to really excel in. We also have in-plant training and we have industry visits, which really gives them an idea about the inner workings of the industry. It is a very, very valuable experience. So along with all this, when we look at extracurricular activities, when you look at even something like sports activities, it gives a flavor of how teamwork becomes so very important, which is really important in future life. I think that's all.
What do you see as the greatest strength of MET IOP?
The greatest strength of our institute lies in its people. So we have a wonderful teaching staff, a non-teaching staff, office staff, and everything here is student-centric. Our trustees are always for whatever is better for the students. We have a decent infrastructure, and these are some of the hallmarks of MET.
Any suggestion you would like to give to the current youth and aspiring students?
Yes, the current youth, the current students are the future of our nation. And I would just want to say one thing, that you all have the potential. Remember that. Work hard, work smart, and you will be able to achieve everything. Whatever you do in your life, remember one thing, the baseline: be a good human being. Thank you.
It was a pleasure talking to you in interview with Thoughts on Education, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you.